guys. Train. Okay, let's go Mudra. We're here guys. Sentosa Sensoryscape. See, Sentosa Sensoryscape. Inspired by the verdant, undulating landscape of Sentosa Rainforest Ridge. Maganda pala yung mga lights dito Mudra o paggabi oh.
Ito.
Maganda yung lights niya oh.
Ano sila, nagda-dance, nag-chase.
Welcome to a world of wonder and discover where the sensistic center stage. Discover.
Come, we walk here.
Imagine that. Okay. Master Mudra, the camera is on you. You're my model in my vlog today. Welcome everyone. We are here at Sentosa Island. I'm gonna explore here. It's very nice here at night time guys. But we come here early morning. And somehow we're waiting for the bus very long time. We take the 123 bus. Oh, 1 hour waiting, you know. Oh no, kunting lakad lang. Wala na. Dihangat na. Ayan, beach station, transfer hub, upgraded. Flower Hill, Resort World Sentosa. If night time guys, here got light show. There got light show here. Saan ka pupunta Mudra? Toilet? Ha? Bakit ka maglilip? Magpasok tayo sa ganito oh. Ha? Magpasok. Akit ka? Dapat dito mag-picture tayo dito oh. Maganda oh. Weh. Maganda dito eh. Mudra. Wala na ang Mudra guys. Maganda ang mga flowers. Tadadan. I'm here. I'm doing my vlog.
Where are you?
It's very nice the flowers here. You see there's a lot of pretty flowers. There's a lot of pretty flowers. Maganda kaya dito mag-picture Mudra. It's very nice here guys if night time because there's the light show here. But now don't have because early morning. Picture ka dito sa gitna Mudra oh, maganda dito. Dali, picture ka. Picturean kita. Yung 0.5, maganda tong kuha. Akin na yung cellphone mo. Yung normal, yung 0.5 para makuha. Oh, diba? So nice. Very nice Mudra. Saan ka sa gitna? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Another pose.
Cannot touch.
1, 2, 3. Wow, so nice. 1, 2, 3.
Cannot touch.
1, 2, 3.
Ano ba yun? Ano?
Ala, post ka lang ng post dyan. Kasi nag-click lang ako ng nag-click.
Yes.
Ako naman. Gusto ko yung view eh. Maganda yung view.
Oh, yes, siyempre. Yung kailangan.
Hindi ko alam
Kahit
kung
pangit yan. Kahit pangit tayo.
saan ko ba ito ilalagay. O, dyan muna kayo guys.
Oh,
At time mani ang vlog. Wait lang guys ha. Dyan muna kayo katambay.
Ang ganda, no? Yung kulay niya.
Ganda nga.
Sige lang. Sige, wala. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, ang pagka-blue niya, no? Wait, kukunin ko lahat. Tara! Sige. Talon. Teka, ano ka, mag-video ko.
Ah?
Video. Kilos-kilos lang, tapos TikTok. Oh, ang ganda sa video, oh. Ang ganda sa video, Day.
Yung vlog ko na-stop na. Okay, done. Thank you.
Ganda.
Let's go to the next one.
Sige na nga, maglakaw na tayo doon.
Saan?
Sige na tayo maglakad tayo puntang Palawan.